Okay, next we will use a shape tool. This one, yeah. So you can right click to select shape. For example, you choose rectangle. Okay, draw a rectangle here. Okay, right click to choose another rectangle. You can click and drag, or you can also click sekali je. Boleh juga Jadi kita bila kita klik sekali, kita boleh we can choose the size. For example, we want to choose 15 point times 100 and the radius, corner radius 12 point. Then click OK. Right. Okay, again, ellipse tool. You can click and drag, or you can click and release, and you can type the width and height. For example, the width is 70, like this. Okay, and then poly tools. You can click and drag. If you want to move, use a selection tool. Click and drag. And you can also click once, type the setting. For example, you want to make more than 6 sides. For example, you want to make hexagon, 8 sides. So you can choose 8. Okay, again, for example, start to click, and then you can choose how many points you want. For example, you want to make 6 point star. Okay, while you are working with the tool, you can use control. Try press control. Press control and then click to other. You can select other object without clicking on the selection tool. Tak payah klik selection tool pun boleh, tapi syaratnya tekan control dekat keyboard ni. Tekan control kat keyboard, kita boleh select objek-objek yang ada. Okay, let's do exercise. We already know how to draw, so I want you to draw a simple flag, Malaysian flag. Yeah? Malaysian flag dia ada berapa bucu? 14 kan? Click here, 14. Warnanya warna apa? Dah lupa dah. Ni. Okay. So Malaysian flag, this one. And then choose rectangle. So white. And then how to change color? Click here to change color. Double click here. And then choose the color you want. And then draw. Okay, choose color. blue, and then use the rectangle tool. Okay, if you draw something, if you point at the parts, you saw the text parts. Nampak je tu ya? Bermakna dia punya cursor kita tu berada di atas garisan tu. So you can draw. And then, if you want to copy, you can use alternate. Okay, try press Control alternate. Control alternate, cuba drag ni. Salah. Okay. Tekan Control alternate. Control alternate. Copy ni. Tekan Control kalau kita nak alihkan. Jadi sekarang kita ada F 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, sorry. The color is red. Kan? So you can change, select this. Select. Change to red. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more. Okay. So to copy, press alternate. Okay, now use the align tool. Select the line and then choose this. Align to the left and then vertical display. Okay, make another rectangle, a blue rectangle. Click blue. Okay. You can change the color first. Blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then put this one here. You can see when I put this star, the star will be at the back. Why? Because the rectangle star ni saya buat dulu. Kemudiannya rectangle. Jadi rectangle dia akan berada di depan. So how you want to do? You can click on the star and then right click, arrange, bring to front. Okay. And then create your moon. Yeah. Okay, to create a moon, when we create a circle, you can see this option. Yang ni. Okay, click this one. If you want to. Next, we will make this moon smooth. So you can use tools, anchor point tools. Click on the pen tool, right click, choose anchor point tool. By using this anchor point tool, you can make smooth. Kemudiannya, if you want to adjust, you can zoom. Kat sini nampak dia punya ni, handle ni. You can adjust the smooth. Okay, to adjust this point, you have to use this one, direct selection tool. Click here, then tapi ada cara lain untuk buat bulan ni. Nanti kita akan belajar lah. Yang ini kita buat guna cara yang senang. Gunakan ni, anchor point tool. Tapi dia tak berapa cantik sangat lah. Ada cara lain, kita boleh gunakan dua bulatan. Ini satu bulatan. Kemudian kita ada bulatan yang lain. Kita letak dalam ni. Macam ni. Kemudian kita boleh gunakan shape boulder tool. Shape boulder tool.